pair of the Jordan 1. Okay, so as usual day, dropped off orders from eBay, go to UPS, USPS, and FedEx. Then I had to drop by also on the mall. Went to Foot Locker, nothing there. Went back to Jimmy Jazz, JD Sports, Kids Foot Locker, nothing there. And then luckily I found something on Champs. So there we go. It's not always nothing to be found close to my area, unlike yesterday, there's nothing. And luckily we found something that sitting on the entrance of the store, the Champs. We got here the Air Jordan 1 Retro, and they call it the Electro Orange. Man, can you believe that? How long it has been that this shoe has been released? Couple days, a couple weeks probably, and now they are sitting on the store in front of the close in front of the store. I mean inside anyway. But the mere fact that they are really sold out per se, they said, but I'm not really sure. I already sold some of my men's. Maybe I'm holding the big ones like the size 13, and also maybe I'm still wanted to hold yung size ko 10 and a half, but keep on copying grade school kasi nga yung grade school naman syempre mataas ang resale value ng mga grade school. So yan, maganda naman yung kulay niya, so yung mga mahilig sa orange yan. So yun, before we end this video, we're gonna do another unboxing that came on the mail. So probably it's been a days, medyo matagal na yun box na yun. So i-unbox na natin. So tara, ito yung i-unbox natin. So if you are unfamiliar sa mga klaseng ganitong box, mga Nike ID, yung mga ganitong style ng box. So yan, buksan na natin. Okay, alright, so what we got here? Okay, as you can see, it's a typical white Nike by U-Box, size 6, men's at 7.5 sa women. Tignan nga natin kung maganda to. Let's see. Wow, hanep. Uy, ganda pala. Man, ang ganda pala ng quality niya, oh. Ang ganda. Wow. Nike by U and Z na Nike Dunk. Ewan ko kung SB Dunk ba to. Baka Nike Dunk lang siguro. Di ba comment down below. So when they did a restock on this Nike SB Dunk or Nike Dunk, Nike by U, I wasn't able to bought a lot because I made a mistake. So yun. So buti na lang kahit paano nakakuha tayo ng isa. So tignan mo yung quality niya, oh. Ang ganda. Dito sa may swoosh niya, para sang breaded na tawag mo nito. Ang ganda. Ganda yung design niya. Pero tapos dito sa may mga stitching niya dito. Tapos dito rin sa harap ng toe box nga pala. Dito sa may part ng eyelets. Dito sa dito sa part niya na may parang ibang klaseng, hindi naman siya leather. Maganda ang tapos typical yung Dunk or Nike Dunk dito sa may outsole niya. So yun. Pero maganda. magandang pagkakadesign. Tapos yung NZ and tapos Nike dito sa ano niya. So BTB, ayan, BTB 19. Ewan ko ba yan kung ano yan. But tapos may pull tab siya dito sa likod na parang ano. Oh, 'di ba? Yeah, maganda ang design, maganda. Maganda yung design niya. Not bad for the design and the artistic thing going on this particular shoe in regards with the stitching and something around of this Nike shoes. And with that, not bad though. But for me, I'm still not really. Man, I like the design, but hey, it's up to you. But gonna sell this out very quickly. Just don't wanna hold it for long time. If I made a profit of 25 to 30% return of investment, I'm just gonna let it go. So yun, kung may mga gusto dyan, Nike Dunk na by you, Nike ID and Z, size men's 6 or women's 7.5. So yan, leave a comment down below. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung resale value niya pala. Tingnan ko mamaya. So, with that said, I hope you gustuhan nyo po yung unboxing natin and hope you like this vlog for today. See you next time. Peace na po kayo. Bye-bye.